when love is measured like a competition. Siblings discontinue being siblings and they become rivals in their own minds. One of the realest family stories in the Quran is not about perfect people, it's about siblings. There was jealousy, there was competition, there were favoritism, wounds, and then years later, there was regret, growth, and repair. Surah Yusuf, about Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, is leadership training for anyone navigating any domain of life, but including family dynamics. إِذْ قَالُوا لَيُوسُفُ وَأَخُوهُ أَحَبُّ إِلَىٰ أَبِينَا مِنَّا. They said, surely Yusuf and his brother are more beloved to our father than we are, the brothers of Yusuf alayhi salam. And this sentence shows us where some of the family harm begins, where many people don't pay attention to this as parents. It's in the area of comparison, to compare the children to one another. When love is measured like a competition, and this is not a criticism of the parents, this is a reminder that sometimes siblings are the ones comparing themselves to one another. So if love is being measured like a competition, then sometimes siblings discontinue being siblings and they become rivals in their own minds, which is very problematic. And our leadership principle for today is that in families, an effective leader in families is the one who refuses to let jealousy become injustice. Sometimes parenting and leadership experts will mention something along the lines of unresolved resentment and how it turns into sabotage. Emotional maturity can turn pain into restraint and restraint into repair. The Prophet ﷺ treated family ties as sacred. He warned against harm, against cutting off the family, against arrogance. And so leadership in Islam includes protecting the dignity of the family, the siblings, the relatives, even when the history might be complicated, even when the parents and their cousins and relatives' history is complicated. And many Muslims today are carrying sibling tension, old competition, unequal treatment, misunderstanding, distance, sometimes not because of the parents' fault. The Qur'an is not telling you to pretend it didn't happen. It's showing us growth is possible. Repentance is possible. To reconcile is also possible, because family ties are not just emotional, they're also spiritual. And restoring what used to be broken can be one of the heaviest deeds on the day that you meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Make sure that you identify somewhere in your life where if there is any comparison that's affecting your heart, affecting the way you deal with your family, that you make dua, oh Allah, purify it. And obviously, make a leadership move, always and today, towards repair, whenever possible. A kind message, a dua, a small act of respect without reopening the entirety of the past. Jealousy can ruin families, and maturity can restore them. And repair is a form of leadership. Leave a comment below. What are some of the things that families can do to ensure that competition does not become rivalry, and that families continue to have love and equity between the siblings and the parents as well? And if you found this to be beneficial for you, then send it to a sibling or a close friend as a positive reminder. No explanation needed. May Allah put barakah in all of our families and siblings. Allahumma ameen.